Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Wanlow. This is a monthly subscription about providing fun activities and resources that encourage kids to spend more time outside in nature and less time on digital devices, which I love. So each month it comes with a theme. There's products, activities, and a booklet, and games based on themes like animals, stargazing, gardening, parks, outdoor crafts, games, stuff like that. So let's dig in and see what I got. They also did provide a coupon code for my viewers. It's Mama Mittens, and you get 15% off your first box. So here is the Get Outside to Inspire Creativity, Fun, and Relationship with Nature welcome box. And that's what I read to you. Let's see, message to parents. Creativity, fun, relationship with nature. Designed to ease your children into spending more time outdoors in an easy and relaxing way. We have a crossword puzzle and a word search. That's cute. Ooh, Smoky Mountains National Park, fun facts. We went there a couple of years back. A nature treasure hunt. So you could draw a picture of some plants you found and animals you found. Crack the code game. Frogs, fun facts. Postcard fun. An adventure story and a maze. It's very cute. So let's take a look at what's in the box. We have a conservation collection. This is a wooden pen and pencil set. That's pretty neat. Have to get scissors to open that. So here's the pen. It says we can't save the world by playing by the rules because the rules have to be changed. And then we have a mechanical pencil. The least I can do is speak out for those who can speak for themselves. Love that. Oh my gosh, is this a hammock? Oh, I'm excited. A packable hammock. That's so awesome! I've been saying for years I want a hammock and I haven't got one. So, I will untie this. There's the straps for it. I'm guessing it's like all... Yeah, and then the bag's attached so that you could just stuff it back in there. That's pretty cool. There's some hooks in there. Carabiners. That's pretty neat. Love that. Also have a magnetic postcard from the Smoky Mountains. And then my 1,000 hours outside journey. A little journal. Oh, and there's all sorts of stuff in here. Favorite activity, something memorable, new thing learned. And you can go through what time, journal entry, what the weather was like. This is really cool. I feel like my son's the perfect age for that. We raised butterflies this summer. Yeah, that's adorable. I love that. And it looks like maybe every month there's like a little page you can, seasonal bucket list. Probably color on that sheet. That's neat. I like that. That's really cool. So we got the journal, and we got the pen and pencil to write with, a hammock, so you can sit outside and observe. The postcard. So awesome. I've never seen a magnetic one. That's really cool. And then there's different activities, little games in here to do, and facts. So I like how educational that is. Super awesome. So if you guys are interested, I will put their website, that promo code, and all the information below so you can go check them out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.